Hello guys, today in this video we will learn how to calculate the squares of a number mentally. So we are going to divide this video into two parts. First, how first we will find to calculate squares from 25 to 75, which has a different technique, and the numbers which are between 76 to 125. This has a different technique. So in this video we'll focus only on the squares from 25 to 75, and this is a very really easy method to find the squares. You can calculate after few days of practice, few minutes of practice, you can start calculating it mentally. Okay, let's start. So as we can see, these numbers are closer to 50. Okay, and the square of 50 is 2500. 2500. Okay, so while calculating the squares of numbers which are near to 50, which are closer to 50, we will take 25 as base. Suppose if you want to calculate the square of 49, what we have to do, we we will check 49, which is 1 less, which is 1 less than 50. So we have to subtract 1 from 25. We have to subtract 1 from 25, which is 24. And we have to do the square of 1, which is 0, 1. So the square of 49 will be 2401. See how fast and easy this method is. Let's take another example. Let's take 48. Okay, now 48 is 2 less than 50, so we have to subtract 2 from 25, which is 23, and the square of 2 is 0, 4. Okay, okay, another example, 46 square. 46 is 4 less than 50, so we have to subtract 4 from 25, which is 21, and the square of 4 is 16. So the square of 46 is 2116. Let's take one other example, which is 43, square of 43. So 43 is 7 less than 50. So we have to subtract 7 from 25. 25 minus 7 is 18. Okay, and the square of 7 is 49. So the square of 43 is 1849. All these numbers are less than 50. So now we will try to find the squares of number which are greater than 50. Let's take 51. 51, which is 1 greater. This is 1 greater than 50. So the method is, now we will have to add 1 in 25, which is 26, and the square of 1 is 0, 1. Okay, another example, 53 square. Now 53 is 3 more than 20, 3 more than 50, so we have to add 3 in 25. 25 plus 3 is 28, and the square of 3 is 0, 9. Okay, let's take one more example, 58 square. Now 58 is 8 more than 25. 8 more than 50, sorry, 58 is 8 more than 50, so we have to add 8 in 25. 25 plus 8 is 33, and the square of 8 is 64. See how easy and fast this method is. Okay, now take a number which is, now let's find the square of 62. This is a bigger number. It's 12 greater than 50. It's 12 greater than 50. So now remember, it's 12 greater than 50. We have to add 12 to 25. 25 plus 12 is 37. Now the square of 12 is 144. So we will write 1 here and 4 or 4 here. 1 is carry. Now we will add this 3844. This is the square of 62. 3844. Okay. Let's take another example. 60 square of 67. Now this is 17 more. This is 17 more than 50. So we have to add 17 to 25. 25 plus 17, which is 42. Okay. And the square of 17 is 289. 289. See how to write 289. 2 is carry and we will write 89 here. Okay. 4, 4, 8, 9. This is the square of 67. So this method is really very fast. Okay. Let's find the square of 38. Square of 38. Square of 38. Okay. Now this is 12 less than 50. So we have to subtract 12 from 25. If we subtract 12 from 25, we will get 13. Okay. And the square of 12 is, what? 144. 144. So the answer will be 1444. Okay. So using this method, you can calculate the square of any number which are lying between 25 to 75. And after few days of practice, you can calculate within few seconds the square of any number which are lying in between these numbers. So practice this method for few days, and in the next video we will come up with the squares, how to calculate the squares between numbers 76 to 125. So like this video, share this video, and in few days I will come with the another video. Okay, thank you guys.